Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we celebrate feeling confident and glowing inside and out. Today, I'm shining a spotlight on a conditioner that's been getting quite a buzz for dry, damaged hair. Dove Conditioner Coconut and Hydration with Bioprotein Care Technology. If you've been on the hunt for something that claims to deeply hydrate and restore your hair's strength, you might want to hear what I have to say about this one. So, what exactly is this conditioner about? It's formulated for dry hair and features coconut oil, known for its moisturizing benefits, paired with Dove's Bioprotein Care technology. This tech is designed to deliver 1 trillion protein strength builders with every wash, aiming to rebuild hair from within. The promise here is ultimate hydration for soft, smooth hair that lasts up to 24 hours when used with the matching shampoo. The product comes in a 28 fluid ounce bottle, which is pretty generous for regular use. I integrated this conditioner into my routine following the recommended steps. After shampooing with the Dove Coconut and Hydration Shampoo, I applied the conditioner, massaged it in, left it on for about a minute, then rinsed. Right away, I noticed the texture was creamy but lightweight, which I appreciate since some conditioners can feel too heavy or greasy on my hair. The scent has a subtle coconut warmth, nothing overpowering, which is a plus if you're sensitive to strong fragrances. Over the course of daily use, my dry ends definitely felt softer and looked less frizzy. The hydration held up well throughout the day, even in the typical air-conditioned environment where hair tends to get dry. I didn't experience any buildup or heaviness, which often can be a concern with moisturizing conditioners. One thing to mention, though, is that while it improved softness and smoothness, the product isn't a miracle worker for severely damaged hair. It's better suited for mild to moderate dryness rather than deep repair on chemically treated or very brittle hair. Let's break down the good and the not so good here. On the plus side, the conditioner spreads easily and rinses out cleanly, leaving hair feeling nourished without weighing it down. The coconut oil and protein combo is effective for hydration and reinforcing hair strength, aligning well with the product's claims. The packaging is sturdy, with a flip-top cap that makes it simple to use in the shower without any mess. On the downside, if your hair is extremely damaged or in need of intense treatment, you might want to pair this with a stronger mask or leave-in treatment. Also, some might find the fragrance a bit too mild if you prefer a more tropical coconut scent. Lastly, while the bottle size is generous, the price point sits in the mid-range category, so it's important to consider how often you'll be using it to evaluate value. Speaking of value, Dove has a solid reputation for affordable yet effective hair care, and this conditioner fits that mold. For what you get, a blend of coconut oil and bioprotein technology backed by extensive research, the price feels justified for everyday use. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that moisturizes without compromising hair health, this one delivers. If you're considering alternatives, products like OGX Coconut Milk Conditioner or Shea Moisture's Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Conditioner also offer hydrating benefits with natural oils but tend to be priced slightly higher. So Dove is a great pick if you want quality hydration without stretching your budget. As for build quality, the packaging feels durable enough for regular bathroom use. I've been using the same bottle for weeks without any leaks or cracks. The formula is stable and consistent from the first to the last pump, which is important to avoid product waste or changes in texture over time. I haven't had direct interaction with Dove's customer support for this product, but the brand generally enjoys a positive reputation for responsiveness and reliability. By the way, is this review helpful to you so far? If yes, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps me keep making honest reviews like this one. To wrap it all up, Dove Conditioner Coconut and Hydration is a solid contender for anyone dealing with dry hair looking for everyday hydration and gentle strengthening. It won't replace intensive repair treatments, but is excellent for maintaining softness, reducing frizz, and locking in moisture. If your hair needs consistent care without fuss, this conditioner fits the bill nicely. If you've already tried it, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear how it worked for your hair type. And if you're curious, I've left a link to purchase the product in the description and comments box. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.